Good morning, everybody. Well, it's that time of year again. Well, I wouldn't say year. Well, a time's come around in every car's life where it needs new shoes, new rubber. Now, our car, you probably saw the previous video a while ago now, probably about 45,000 kilometers ago. We replaced our original Model 3 tyres, which were the Michelin Sport Pilot 4s, I think they were called. They lasted around about probably 38,000 kilometers, 37,000 kilometers. We rotated those tyres twice, and as you can see in that video, the wear across those tyres was actually quite well and quite even. This time, though, we've done something different. We've done something what many people would say is stupid, you shouldn't do. We have not maintained these tyres at all. We have not rotated. Well, they rotate when you drive, but we've never rotated the tyres on the car at set intervals. We've just basically put them on the car at 38,000 kilometers and driven them to today. We've done 45,000 kilometers on these new tyres. Average energy, 164 watt hours per kilometer. So before that, we only averaged about 160 watt hours per kilometer. So even though these tyres are 1 centimeter wider, they've actually added overall not that much with the energy use. So pretty happy about that. But also too, being a performance Tesla, the last thing you want to skimp on is tyres. You want decent quality rubber because all that power, all that braking, all that computer assistance and stability control means nothing if your tyres aren't sticking to the road. So we're going to replace these tyres with yet another set of Bridgestone Potenza Re003s. And that is why I'm sitting outside the Bridgestone dealership here. So let's go and order these tyres because on special. The tyres we have on now haven't quite worn out yet. They've still got like about 1 millimeter left on the rear and about 1.5 millimeters left on the front. So yeah, they're on special at the moment. So new shoes it is. Okay, well, tyres are done. Unfortunately, this time there's new guys in the shop. I don't know if they're new, but different time of shift or something. I'm not sure. But the guys in here today wouldn't let me film anything, unfortunately, which is a bummer. So the footage I've just shown you is probably for the first time the tyres were changed or what they did. Basically, yeah, put the tyres on the rims, balance them, chuck them on the car. This time they didn't even do wheel alignment, which I'm a bit disappointed about. The first time they did, which was good because the wheel alignment needed a little bit of tweaking, but not much. It was still within tolerance, but not quite right. This time they didn't do wheel alignment. They wanted to charge me extra for that, so that's a bummer. But yeah, 40,000 Ks, 45,000 Ks out of this set of tyres. Still had probably another, I don't know, a couple hundred Ks or even probably 1,000 Ks out of them, took it easy. So yeah, I'd say probably safely 50,000 Ks out of these set of tyres. If you drive conservatively and don't use the power that thing's got, you'd probably easily get 50,000 Ks out of a set of the Bridgestones. So if you've got a Tesla Model 3 and you're looking for a new set of tyres, the Michelin Pilots, personally I wasn't happy with them because in a few situations I'd feel the ABS working, which meant the tyres are at the limits of their traction, especially when someone cut you off in traffic or did something stupid and you had to hit the brakes or coming fast into a corner. But yeah, the Bridgestones, I feel a lot less of the ABS working, which means the tyres are getting better grip. They don't make as much noise either. They don't squeal when you go in corners and stuff like that. And I just felt I got better grip out of the Bridgestones. That's why I put them back on. But yeah, it's personal choice, but like I said, I like to have the most grip I can afford to put on the car. And these are sort of a high performance orientated tyre. When you've got a performance Tesla, it makes sense. You've got the power, you want to get it down. Weather traction, I found they're okay. I mean, the computer's doing all the work when it comes to aquaplaning and stopping car sliding and stuff like that. But I've always been able to take off reasonably quickly on wet roads, stuff like that. And yeah, I'm happy with these tyres, essentially what I'm saying. Michelin's, I was sort of so-so. I'm more happy with these than I was in the original Michelins. So there you have it. If you're looking for a new set of tyres on your car, and no, this is not a sponsored video. I wish it was. Come on, anybody. I got like 3 viewers. But yeah, I just like these tyres. So that's what you can expect out of a life of tyres on the Tesla, around about the 40,000 K mark. Should be around a ballpark figure for anybody who's interested. So that's it. A short one, and a new update. But yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you all later. Bye.